Hello students, today in third part of our maths lecture, we will continue our lesson number 1, geometrical constructions. In this lecture, we will learn how to construct triangles. For this, we have to keep in mind some important points. Let's see. Important points for construction of triangles. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. Out of these 6 elements, at least 3 elements are required to construct a triangle. For construction of any type of triangle, rough figure is important. In today's lecture, we will learn how to construct a triangle when length of 3 sides is given. Let's begin. Now see our first question. Question is, draw triangle ABC such that length AB is equals to 4.5 centimeter, length BC is equals to 5.7 centimeter, and length AC is equals to 5 centimeter. So for this, first we will draw our rough figure. Rough figure also you have to draw with the help of scale and pencil only. So we will draw roughly one triangle of any shape. Now we will give the name. Name is given ABC, so you can start from any vertex ABC or ABC in any way. I am writing here A, B, C. Now we will read the question. Whatever length is given, we will write accordingly. In question it is given length AB is equals to 4.5 centimeters. So this is our AB. So here we will write 4.5 centimeter. Then it is given BC is equals to 5.7 centimeter. This is our BC. So here we will write 5.7 centimeter. And it's given length AC is equals to 5 centimeter. So here it is AC. So we will write it 5 centimeter. So with the help of this rough figure, we will follow this figure and one by stepwise we will draw our triangle ABC. So first, you can start with any segment. You can start with AB or BC or AC. Now I am starting with, as I have drawn my rough figure in the same way, I am drawing for segment BC of 5.7 centimeter. So we'll write BC 5.7 centimeter. So our this segment is ready. Now we will draw segment BA with the help of compass. AB is given 4.5 centimeter. So with the help of scale we will measure 4.5 centimeter. So where 4.5 is AB. So I don't have A anywhere, but I have point B. So I will keep my compass on B and I will cross one arc. I will put one arc. Now I will draw segment CA or AC 5 centimeter. So in the same way, now we will open rounder 5 centimeter. Now AC is 5 centimeter, but I don't have A anywhere in this figure, but I have point C. So I will keep my rounder on point C and I will cross the arc which I had already put. Now where both the arcs have intersected each other, this point is nothing but point A. So here we will give name A. And this point A we will join with point B and with C. After joining A with B, whatever measure we have took, that measurement we will write, that is 4.5 centimeter. Now we will join A with C. AC is 5 centimeter, so here we will write 5 centimeter. Now have a look on second question. Our question is draw an isosceles triangle with base 5 centimeter and other sides 3.5 centimeter each. Now before beginning our construction, we will see what is asked in question. It is said draw an isosceles triangle. So what is the meaning of isosceles triangle? In 6th standard we have learned different types of triangles based on sides. So first was as equilateral triangle, second isosceles triangle, third scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle means a triangle whose all three sides are of equal length. Isosceles triangle means a triangle whose two sides have equal length, and scalene triangle means a triangle whose all three sides have different length. Now in our question we have isosceles triangle means we have to draw one triangle whose two sides are of same length. Now as in this question name is not given, so we will draw one figure and name we will give any name. So I am drawing one rough figure, rough triangle of any shape. Now name I am giving P, Q, R. Now suppose as it is an isosceles triangle, so suppose my PQ and PR are sides having same length. So I am putting here one line, and in question it is said draw an isosceles triangle with base 5 centimeter. So this is my base in this figure. QR is base and base is given 5 centimeter. So here I will write 5 centimeter. And other sides 3.5 centimeter each. Other sides means these two sides. PQ and PR both are 3.5 centimeters. So here also I will write 3.5 and this PQ PR also I will write 3.5 centimeter. Now we will follow the same steps what we have followed in question number 1. First we will draw segment QR of 5 centimeter. We'll give name QR 5 centimeter. After that we will draw segment PQ of 3.5 centimeter. So we will take a rounder and we will open 3.5 centimeter. Now as we are drawing PQ 3.5 centimeter, so in this segment I don't have point P anywhere but I have Q. So I will keep my rounder on point Q and I will put one arc. Now as my second segment which I have to draw, that is PR. PR is also 3.5 centimeters. So we will not change the length of the rounder and we will keep it on point R and we will cross the arc which we have already put. Now where both the arcs have intersected each other, this point is nothing but our point P. So here we will give name P, and now this P we will join with Q as well as with point R. Now after joining PQ, we will see our PQ is 3.5 centimeter. So here we will write 3.5 centimeter. Now we will join P with R. So our PR is also 3.5 centimeter. So here also we will write 3.5 centimeter. Students, this is your assignment which you have to do daily, and your work should be signed by your parents. Along with this assignment, you have to construct the triangles which are shown in this video. Thank you. God bless you all.